10 Best Healthy Foods That Make You Feel Full. Feeling full for longer helps you avoid overeating and make better food choices throughout the day. Certain foods are especially good at keeping you satisfied because they digest slowly, have plenty of fiber, or are rich in protein and healthy fats. Here are 10 of the best healthy foods that help you feel full and energized. 1. Oats. Oats are full of fiber, especially a type called beta-glucan, which absorbs water and expands in your stomach. This makes you feel full for longer. They also help keep your blood sugar stable. 2. Avocados. Avocados are rich in healthy fats and fiber. They slow down digestion and help send signals to your brain that you're full. Just half an avocado can make a big difference. 3. Beans and lentils. Legumes like beans, lentils, and chickpeas are packed with protein and fiber. They take time to digest and keep you feeling satisfied for hours. 4. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is high in protein, especially casein, which digests slowly. It makes a great snack or meal addition to curb hunger. Choose the plain, unsweetened kind for best results. 5. Chia seeds. Chia seeds absorb water and form a gel in your stomach, which helps slow digestion. They're tiny but full of fiber and healthy fats that keep you full. 6. Eggs. Eggs are a great source of high-quality protein and fat. Eating eggs for breakfast, for example, can help reduce hunger later in the day. 7. Sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are high in fiber and complex carbs. They also have a natural sweetness and are low in calories, making them a filling and healthy option. 8. Cottage cheese. Cottage cheese is low in calories but high in protein. It keeps you full without adding too many extra calories. Pair it with fruit or vegetables for a balanced snack. 9. Quinoa. Quinoa is a whole grain that's also a complete protein. It's rich in fiber and digests slowly, helping you stay full after meals. 10. Nuts and nut butters. Nuts contain protein, fiber, and healthy fats. A small handful can help you feel satisfied and keep you from reaching for unhealthy snacks. Adding these foods to your daily meals can help you manage your hunger naturally, avoid cravings, and support a healthy lifestyle. And always consult with your doctor to get the best recommendation. Thanks for watching.